Good morning, everyone. This is video number 9 of chapter 2. In the previous video, we have discussed about the baking soda and baking powder, and the homework is baking soda. What is the difference between baking soda and baking powder? Baking soda is basically sodium carbonate, and baking powder is a mixture of baking soda and sodium hydrogen carbonate, so baking soda and tartaric acid. When heated it forms a strong basic substance, sodium carbonate, and on heating this forms sodium salt of acid. It is bitter in taste and it neutralizes bitterness. We generally use baking powder as to make our dough of baking substance like idli dough or cake dough fluffy. So baking soda and baking powder. Next chemical is washing soda, which can be prepared from sodium chloride solution. By sodium chloride solution, first we form sodium hydrogen carbonate, and then by heating it we form sodium carbonate, and by recrystallizing it we obtain sodium carbonate 10H2O, which is washing soda. The washing soda, the chemical name is decahydrated sodium carbonate. There are two forms of sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate monohydrated. Sodium carbonate monohydrated is formed by the efflorescence action of baking soda, and anhydrous sodium carbonate is formed by heating baking soda. For example, efflorescent nature of washing soda, when exposed to dry air it forms, we discussed it earlier, that sodium carbonate, when exposed to dry air it forms sodium carbonate H2O, which is monohydrated sodium carbonate, and when heated sodium carbonate 10H2O is formed. So when heated it forms sodium carbonate and 10H2O, which is called anhydrous sodium carbonate, or there is a special name for it, it is soda ash. It is used in glass industry to make glass plain. Preparation of washing soda, as we know that when sodium hydrogen carbonate is heated, sodium carbonate is formed, and this sodium carbonate along with carbon dioxide and water, this water molecule, 10 molecules of this water when combines with sodium carbonate, then a crystal of sodium carbonate, means washing soda, is formed. So it is the main preparation of washing soda. We can also prepare this washing soda by passing carbon dioxide in sodium hydroxide also. There are many type of preparation, but here we concentrate on the properties and uses of washing soda. It is a crystalline solid. When react with acid, it forms sodium chloride, water and carbon dioxide, as we know this reaction very well. And the uses. This is used as cleansing agent in household work to remove permanent hardness of water when it is added to water which is permanently hard, in which magnesium and calcium compound are present, chloride, carbonate and bicarbonate of calcium and chloride, sulfate and hydrogen carbonate of magnesium and calcium makes the water hard. When it is present in the water, it becomes hard, it is hard water, and when sodium hydrogen carbonate is added to it, it forms the salt of sodium, and the salt of sodium is soluble in water and calcium becomes calcium carbonate, magnesium becomes magnesium carbonate, or magnesium chloride, calcium chloride, which is insoluble in water, and we can remove the permanent hardness of water by adding washing soda, and then leather is formed and we can wash our clothes in it. For manufacture of soap, borax, it is used for manufacturing of soap, borax. Borax is a sodium compound formed by sodium carbonate. It is used in glass and paper industries also. As we discussed, that sodium carbonate and hydrosodium carbonate is used for the preparation of glass in glass industries, etc. Next, our next chemical is blue vitriol. It is pentahydrated copper sulfate. As you know, pentahydrated because it has 5 molecule of water, 5 molecule of water of crystallization. When pentahydrated copper sulfate is heated, what happens when this heated? When it is heated, this blue color changes into white. It becomes white, colorless, and the droplets of, if you heat a dry, in a dry test tube, if you heat blue copper sulfate crystals, then after heating some droplets of water are seen there, and the crystals becomes white. When you add few drops of water in it, it again become blue in color, like this. Copper sulfate 5H2O, when it is heated, then copper sulfate loses its water of crystallization and becomes anhydrous white copper sulfate. And again, when few drops of water, say few drops, it takes only 5 molecule of water. 1 molecule of copper sulfate takes 5 molecule of water and becomes copper sulfate 5H2O, pentahydrated copper sulfate, which is blue in color. White becomes blue. Our next topic is, next chemical is plaster of Paris, POP, commonly called POP. Plaster of Paris is hemihydrated calcium sulfate. Here is half H2O. That means 2 calcium molecules contains only 1 water molecule. So it is called hemihydrated calcium sulfate. Hemihydrated calcium sulfate. Calcium sulfate. Its preparation is, it is prepared from gypsum. Gypsum is a gypsum, when heated, it forms CaSO4 half H2O. It means plaster of Paris along with 1.5 H2O. It is in the form of water vapor, and dry plaster of Paris contains calcium sulfate half H2O. Plaster of Paris is always kept in a dry container because it absorbs water. It absorbs moisture from the atmosphere and becomes hard. Again it changes into gypsum. So this is the preparation is from gypsum, it becomes from 2H2O, it becomes half H2O, and again by adding these two it becomes hard like gypsum. Look at the properties. Properties are, it is a white powder. As you know, you all handle this chemical during preparation of models for school projects. When react with water 1.5 H2O means 2 molecule of calcium sulfate needed 3 molecules of water for the formation of gypsum. This is gypsum. Plaster of Paris is in powder form, amorphous white powder, and by adding this water it becomes hard solid. There are uses of plaster of Paris. This is used in making toys, statues, model. As you know, in making surface smooth. Before whitewashing, painter used this plaster of Paris to make the wall smooth. For setting fractured bone, you know this, that it is used for setting fractured bone by doctors. Here is a question again, why POP is kept in airtight container? Because as it absorbs moisture and becomes hard. Before this is our last topic in the chapter 2. In this chapter, we studied about acid, bases, salts, different types of acid, different types of bases, their properties, how they are prepared, how the salts are prepared and their properties, etc. Now, here is some questions of NCERT book. In your homework, do all NCERT in-text question and NCERT in-text question along with exercise. Let's discuss the exercise with the book. This is your NCERT book. Here is a question. What is the common name of compound CaOCl2? The common name of this compound is bleaching powder. Name the substance which on treatment with chlorine bleaching powder. Name the substance. This is CaOH whole 2. That substance, name the substance means calcium hydroxide. You have to write calcium hydroxide and slaked lime along with the formula. Name the sodium compound which is used for softening hard water. It is washing soda. Name the sodium compound. Name the washing soda. Write washing soda and then write decahydrated sodium carbonate. Next question is, what will happen if the solution of sodium carbonate is heated? If the solution of sodium carbonate is heated, and write the reaction involved. Sodium carbonate changes in sodium hydrogen carbonate, hydrocarbon. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is heated, then it becomes sodium carbonate, as we discussed. So take the help of the notes and write the answer of these questions. Write an equation to show the reaction between plaster of Paris and water. This is the reaction, plaster of Paris and water. It becomes gypsum. It is hard substance, and after viewing all the videos, all the notes, you must read the chapter carefully by underlying that, and then if you have any question, any queries, then ask me. I'll answer you. And do the exercise, all exercise. There are 3 MCQs. Make MCQs in book and write the question and answer. For example, from question 5, you must write in your copy from question number 5. There's write word equation. Word equation means write word equation and then balance equation. First you write word equation, means you write sulfuric acid, dilute sulfur plus zinc. So then write balanced equation. Next question is, compounds such as alcohol and glucose also contains hydrogen but are not categorized as acid because it doesn't decompose into acid. And here is an activity. Describe an activity to prove it. The activity is given in your book. The activity number 2.3. This is the activity given in your book. So describe the activity along with figure and then answer this question. Next is, why does distilled water are not conduct electricity but rainwater does? Distilled water doesn't dissociates into ions, but rainwater contains minerals and acids, so it dissociates into ions. Next question is, why do acid not show acidic behavior in the absence of water? because it doesn't dissociates into ions. It doesn't give hydrogen ion without water. It is question number 8. Now question number 9. Make question number 9 carefully. Here is universal indicator shows pH. There are pH of these substances. So you think that neutral substance has 9 pH? No. Neutral substance has no 9 pH. Neutral substance has 7. Alkaline 11. Acidic, strongly acidic 1. Weakly acidic 4. Weakly alkaline 9. So you must write the pH along with the chemicals given. Here is a question number 10. Equal length of magnesium river are taken in a test tube A and B. A has hydrochloric acid and B has acetic acid. And the amount of the both acids are same. So which reaction is vigorous? Definitely the hydrochloric acid gives vigorous reaction because it is a strong acid. It dissociates into ions readily, completely dissociates and react with magnesium strongly. It is more reactive than acetic acid. Here, next question number 11. Fresh milk has pH 6. Fresh milk is slightly acidic, very slightly acidic. So how do you think the pH will change as it turns into curd? pH increases or decreases? pH decreases. pH becomes less than 6. Explain your answer. Explain it in your language. A milkman add a very small amount of baking soda to fresh milk. Why does the pH of the fresh milk from 6 to slightly alkaline? Why does he shift? Because he do not want to change the milk into curd. So why does this milk take a long time to set as curd? Because it is now basic. By adding baking soda, its pH becomes higher, increases. So to change into acid, to lower the pH, it takes some time, more than the normal milk. Plaster of Paris should be stored in I have already give you the answer. What is neutralization reaction? We explained it. Give 2 examples of this. Give 2 important uses of washing soda and baking soda. These all are discussed in the class in the videos. So see the videos carefully, answer this question and submit from 5 to 7 in the evening of the evening today. Thank you. If you have any question, any queries, then ask me. Some students are taking interest in the class, but most of the students are not taking interest. So please take interest in your class. If you will not take interest, it will harm your board examination or your studies. So please take care. Thank you.